Welcome to Singing with Ron! In this next video, I want to explore what I call the evil laugh. This one really helps women find their low notes, but it also just helps you find the belt contemporary sound that I really like. And if you lift your chin and kind of go back to that sticking out your tongue, ah, ah, ah. So bring your tongue back in and try this. Go ah, ah, ah. Keep the sound forward. Most people do this for the first time and they go ah, 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 ah. But I want it to be ah, 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 ah. Very Italian and very Count Dracula. Ah, ah, ah. Not and back there. Okay? And so what this does is it uses the glottal to help you find more chesty sound, and it also just puts everything into the belt place. Your mouth opens, you smile a little bit, ah, 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 which is very belty if you watch a lot of belters. Hey! They're all doing that open mouth and the smile. And so it's a little exercise, but it also helps to open your throat in the right place, ah, 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 and to narrow your voice in the right place. So very important exercise, and it just helps to give you that belty feeling. So give that a shot. Thanks.